CoraVie Medical is developing an insertable circadian blood pressure monitor and end-to-end remote monitoring system to streamline care delivery for the highest risk patients. I'm Aimee Garza. I am the founder and CEO of CoraVie Medical. I've been in med devices for 27 years across a variety of functional roles and leadership roles. And a significant portion of my career has been spent translating unmet needs into innovative products and successful growth opportunities. And that is exactly what we are doing at CoraVie Medical. To summarize this opportunity, doctors are looking for improved accuracy and reliability for out-of-office blood pressure, yet the tools available today do not get them there. CoraVie is offering a bold, uniquely disruptive approach to address human behaviors, patient behaviors, and also provide accuracy similar to hospital-based intra-arterial pressure. We valued this market initially at $10 billion. And to highlight some of our traction, we have been awarded a National Science Foundation grant. We've been issued our first US patent and have several others in the wings. We also have FDA breakthrough device designation. So the overarching challenge is that blood pressure and uncontrolled blood pressure leads to cardiovascular risk and organ damage. It is a major contributing factor to kidney failure, stroke, heart disease, diabetes. Yet, if you cannot measure it, you cannot manage it. Inevitably, patients go untreated because of delayed clinical decisions, clinical inertia, and their disease progresses. So while the current tools may be sufficient for less complex, less risky patients, doctors are looking for a better solution for the millions of patients who have increased risk of a serious adverse event. And that is what CoraVie Medical is focusing in on. We are intended for high-risk patients who struggle with monitoring compliance. As I said, this initial target market is valued at $10 billion globally, and we have a beachhead identified at $1 billion in the US that is targeting stage 3 chronic kidney disease with uncontrolled blood pressure who, again, struggle with monitoring compliance. So blood pressure is so ubiquitous, and it's one of the most important vital signs in the assessment of health. Yet, few physicians are satisfied with the tools they have available to them to monitor blood pressure out of office. From some of our blinded market research as depicted here, the dark line shows the large percent of physicians who say this is a very important job to meet, yet the light blue line shows the very small percent of physicians who are satisfied with the tools available today. In summary, patient compliance leads to gaps in data, and overall, there is a general lack of trust in the accuracy and reliability of out-of-office blood pressure due to things like patient awareness causing falsely high or low readings, measurement technique errors that impact the accuracy of the measurement, and the large number of home-based monitoring tools that are non-standard, non-validated, and non-calibrated. Further, it's becoming increasingly important to measure nighttime blood pressure as an indication of patient risk. Blood pressure variability and nighttime blood pressure are independent factors and associated with cardiovascular risk and organ damage. As the chart is showing here, depicting 4 different trends. In a healthy individual, your blood pressure dips 10 to 20% at night, and that is the black line labeled dipper. Yet those individuals who have cardiovascular disease, organ damage, tend to exhibit the non-dipper patterns. This is further complicated by things like morning surge and nighttime surge, so sleep apnea as an example, stress-induced hypertension changes. Multiple factors impact this trend and increase patient risk, and we need a better way to monitor day and night blood pressure. So circadian monitoring identifies dangerous blood pressures that are missed by standard methods. CoraVie is providing accurate circadian blood pressure. We have a disruptive approach leveraging ultrasound technology. Our device is inserted under the skin in the upper arm. in an outpatient setting using local anesthesia. And our data is, once the device is inserted, it silently monitors and transmits the data to a secure cloud-based analytics platform that now allows us to really turn that data into insights and connect it to the clinic and the physician and to the patient and really create co-interventions to motivate behaviors. So one question that comes up often, you may be thinking, why not wearable? CoraVie Medical is focused on insertable, and we are leveraging the same successful playbook that insertable cardiac monitors have done. That is over $1 billion market in revenue, despite the fact that there's several wearable options that are also out in the market. The benefit of insertable, first, has to do with clinical accuracy and diagnostic yield. Our device is correlated to intra-arterial pressure. We are providing accurate clinical information to inform treatment decisions. Yet, we are also not as invasive as an intra-arterial pressure monitor. So we have less invasive compared to the implantable solutions that are in the heart, in the bloodstream, and we are more accurate and reliable compared to wearables. And we're really the only solution that will fully address patient compliance challenges to get that accurate insights to a physician. We have done initial bench studies and in vivo sheep studies to demonstrate correlation to intra-arterial blood pressure, and we are now getting ready for a chronic evaluation of our sensor to demonstrate the stability over time. Again, to reiterate the competitive advantage, we've done market research with over 300 physicians, patients, economic stakeholders. We've compared our technology solution with others. Doctors see this as our solution having improved accuracy, improved patient compliance, and improved reliability because we eliminate patient awareness challenges and barriers to getting accurate, reliable blood pressure. We have also identified a target physician segment, invasive cardiology and nephrology, that specialize in hypertension management, and they have rated this highly. Our team has decades of experience in implantable medical devices, taking products from concept to successful growth. We also have a great board and advisors and a long list of supporters. Marshall Stanton, Dr. Stanton is a 10-year Mayo Clinic cardiologist and senior executive at a multi-billion-dollar businesses for the last 25 years. Warren Watson has been a serial board member on multiple startups. His startups that have exited have earned values totaling over $2.5 billion. Dr. Michael Weber is world-renowned in hypertension management, and again, a long list of support that really shows the credibility of what we are doing and the likelihood of our success. CoraVie Medical is here. We are raising our Series A, our first price round. We're looking for $8 million that will get us to our first in-human use. The use of those funds will be for sensor design transfer and developing that commercial-grade device. So in summary, CoraVie is offering physicians an accurate and reliable blood pressure solution. We have a relatively large and nascent market at $10 billion. And we have a winning solution with our unique approach. Please reach out to me if you have more questions, and I thank you for your time.